Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your WhatsApp account. Choose the language and then tap on Agree and Continue. Choose your country from the down drop menu. Then enter your phone number. Tap Next. To confirm your number, tap OK. Tap Continue to receive missed call to verify your phone number. Now set up your WhatsApp profile with your name and profile picture. Tap Next when you are finished. And this is how you can create your WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.